Hey guys, what's up? It's Let's Jeep here. Today I wanted to just go over how to replace the daytime running light bulb if you have the halogen light package. I have a Wrangler JL Sahara, so I'm not sure if that's specific to the Sahara trim or not, but here we go. So first things first, if you can see me pointing to that, there is a little clip push pin thing that we need to take out, and then there's a 10mm bolt, and that's all you'll have to take out to access this light. So right here I'm getting to work getting this pin out. The easiest way I found, since I don't have the proper tools, is I just got a flathead screwdriver, work my way under there a little bit, and then I went in with some needle nose pliers. It didn't work out so gracefully for this one here, but on the other side it was pretty simple. But once you get your pliers under there, it should be as simple as just pulling it out. It does take a little bit of force, but just be careful as you can be, so you can try to preserve it as much as possible so you can reuse it, unless you for some reason have extra ones of these pins lying around, which I do not. There you can see I got it out right there. And then you just need to take this 10mm bolt out up here real quick, and then whenever you're taking the fender lining out, there's a little crevice that you can feel with your fingers, and if it helps, you can get your flathead screwdriver under there. I was able to get it with my fingers. You just kind of peel it back just a little bit, as you can see right there, and then you should be able to see the wires coming through to the front to that daytime running light, and that's what goes to it right there. Yep, there you can see it. All you have to do is grab that little fixture right there, turn it counterclockwise, and you should feel it come loose, and you can just pull it straight back. All you got to do then is take out your factory light bulb, which takes a little bit of force. Shove in your new light bulb, which I will put the link and what bulb it is in the description. I did all the research on the Wrangler forums for you. And then you just plop it back in there, turn her counterclockwise, make sure she's tight and flush, and then put your fender liner back. So that's it for that. Just put your pin back, shove it in there, and put your bolt back. And then real quick here at the end, I have a video of the lights on and working, just so you can see what it looks like. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate you watching.